Hey guys, so I'm in my mom's workout room where she does her workout videos. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a makeup, do your makeup. So first, you're going to put on setting spray and you're just going to put it on the little squishy bobber. And then you're just gonna squirt. One squirt is enough. Dub. All over your face. You don't have to put on your eye, like on this eye, because you don't. You can put how much you want. And some foundation. Put it on the little squishy thing. Just put a little bit on the squishy thing. Not a lot. You can put how much you want on the little plushy thing. So I'm finishing my foundation right now. Okay, after foundation, and then you're gonna put some brush. Swipe. Your smile makes it better. Then some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use some of this light gold. Not a lot. Never have to be a lot. Here's have a tissue or a put some of this on. There's already a powder blush in here, but you don't really need to use that. You can use like a little thing, little brush. And it's just gonna lay it on. It's just gonna like keep it on so it doesn't like move or anything. Okay. Some lipstick. Just a little bit. It is done. So make sure to subscribe and like this video. After your makeup is done, because it's so beautiful. And next, go outside and have some fun. It's a beautiful day.